So I went on to access this platform. I discovered that they have added more models to the platform, such as Seedance, Grok AI, and many other models. And the most important thing I want to do for me in this video is to stay focused so that you can follow the first step to the last, so you don't miss any step. I don't want to come back and say the method didn't work, because this method I'm going to show you is 100% legal and it's working perfectly well. You can access these models for free and unlimited. That is, if you don't miss any of these steps. The first platform we are going to be using is this platform. Please follow it step by step, because there's something I want to show you and you need to get it right. Click on login. This platform accepts 10 mail. So so let's get a 10 mail first. So once you get your 10 mail, just follow the on-screen instruction as I'll be showing you step by step, right? So at this point, you'll be asked to verify if you are human. So let's get our 10 mail from here and head back here. Okay. Once you click on this login, this is going to pop up. Okay, if you already have email address before on this platform, go ahead and clear login data. Now, this will enable the platform to wipe off every other email. Okay, so you can log in using another email. Okay, so go ahead and continue with email here. Once you click on this email, you'll be requested to place that your email we copy from here. Okay, but then we are going to register, because that is a new email. So click on that register and let's paste the email we copied. All right, then of course, put your password and let's register. This is going to pop up. You're going to agree. Don't forget the password you are using on this platform. If yours is new, you realize that you'll be sent, register, it will go through. So what you need to do is to go ahead and log in. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and paste that email here, and of course the password, and I will log in. Of course, go ahead and agree. The moment that is successful, you see you'll be given 10 credits. Now, not be using this. Okay, so this is the next thing you are going to do. Now, let's say you are creating that email for the first time. Remember, you'll be given your inbox. Yes, you'll be given a code in your inbox, which is what is going to reflect here for you to copy and use. Okay, open this platform that we are going to use to create. Don't forget the email we used. Okay, so click on this platform. Right, this is going to open up like this, and we are going to log in. Now, the login details we used on this platform is the one we are going to use here. Now, by so doing, we will not have to register from scratch, but rather we are using an existing email on this platform, and it's literally going to work. What I'm going to do. But if you use a temporary email here directly, it's not going to work. But if you use it from here, it's going to work. That is the difference. All right, so let's proceed by logging in. Click on this login. This is going to pop up and we are going to log in. Now, if you can see here, say I already have an email, that same email, but I'm going to clear off the data so that I can log in using my new email. All right, so I want to continue with email. All right, so at this point, that email that I have, I'm going to paste the same email here, and of course the same password. Same password I used on the other platform. But at this point, we are not going to register. We are only going to log in. Now, once you successfully log in, you'll be given 70 carrot. You can access this platform on your mobile phone as well. So the moment you log in, you receive 70 credits. Now, once you come back again, okay, and log in, you will also receive 20. Every day you log into this platform, you receive 20 credit. You can see, so I now have 20 credit, free credit, and it refreshes daily at midnight. Then you have 70 permanently valid. This 70 credit is what you receive the moment you sign up as you log in for the first time. And then once you come back and log in again, you receive 20 credits. So let's say tomorrow you come back again and log in, you have 20 credits. You come back again the next day, you have 20 credits, but it refreshes. So you must use it to create something before you lose it. Awesome. So this is how this platform works. Okay, so now we are successfully here. Let's go ahead and see how much credit some of these top models are using to create on this platform. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on this new project. We want to see what this platform uses to create. Okay, at this point, we see all of this. Then we move over quickly to workflow, because that is what we want to use, workflow. So click on it, and once you are here, you're going to see all this wired interface, right? You don't need it. Okay, so you want to go ahead and click on this new chart. This new chart is going to transform the whole screen into an empty space where you have to start from scratch and build your project. That is, if you have anything to work with. If you have your prompts ready, you have your image to video ready, you have your text to video ready, then you are set to use this platform. Now, you can come here, and if you're using a mobile phone, you're going to see the interface will look a little bit complex. Go ahead and click on this collapse to collapse the entire, so they can have enough space to create what you want to create. Awesome. So go down here, you want to see this plus sign. click on it. Once you click on this, go down. All right, at this moment you see image creation. If you want text to image, you want to generate your images, you can use this platform to do that. You want to generate video creation, you can use this platform to do that. So first, let's see what text to video models looks like, how much credits and how much carrot you are expected to use on this platform. So let's say we want to use text to video. You see, you're going to be needing 286 carrot to use this platform using Seedance 2.0, right? Now, if you see duration is 10, let's see if 6 seconds duration, 6 seconds, the higher the duration, the higher the carrot you are going to spend. Okay, so let's go ahead and reduce this to 480p. The higher your resolution, the higher your carrot. So you see, so let's go ahead and see other models that are here. We have other models that Seedance 2.0 fast. Okay, let's see the model, how much this carrot is going to cost us. Now reduce this to 6 seconds, and of course reduce this to 480p. You have 96 carrot. Reduce this to 5 seconds, and then your carrot reduces to 80 carrot. So here you can use Seedance 2.0 fast using 80 carrot. And of course, once you are done, you can literally select this auto to select your aspect ratio. You select this, and then you are going to use 80 credits. Okay, I want to use 80 carrots, and you have 90. And of course, once you are done, if you are going to use text to video, you can literally log out, and you know what to do, right? With other models, how much they consume. All right, so let's look at Gemini Omni Flash. Gemini Omni Flash costs 70 credit just to create 5-second video, and this is amazing. You have 90 credits, so you can think about this platform as all in one platform. Let's look at other platform. We have Seedance Pro. Seedance Pro. Seedance Pro uses 39 credit with the highest resolution, 720p. Okay, so this is it for the text to video. All right, what image to video? Look at image to video here. Let's see what it's going to cost. Okay, so if you look at this image to video, one box is for prompt, and the next box is for your image. Okay, the number of carrots you are using is determined by the duration of your video you want to create. Okay, and the type of models you are using. So let's explore other models and see. Let's see if now here we have Grok. We have Grok. Grok is 70 credit. Now this 70 credit is for us to use and create our videos for free. Like right now, let's quickly generate something, okay, for you to see the quality of videos on this platform. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my prompt. This prompt, I used GPT to generate the entire prompt. I'm going to bring in my reference image, and then this is me using this opportunity to tell all my Indian friends, thank you so much for all the support in always staying here and believing in this channel, and to everyone who had been watching me and supporting this channel by helping me grow, and also coming back again and back again. To my new subscribers, to my returning subscribers, and to my casual subscribers, thank you. You are amazing. That's the reason why I'm making this short piece for you, and I hope it gladdens your heart. Or we should go with Grok, okay, to see the quality of video. Let's see the quality of video on this platform using Omni Flash. That is Gemini Omni Flash.
To my amazing Indian family, thank you for your love. And to everyone watching around the world, I truly appreciate you.
So if you watched this time, let me know what you think about this platform in the comment section of this video. Don't forget, I'm still doing my research. More tools are coming, so stick around so you don't miss any. And guys, until then, see you in the next one.